Welcome to this tutorial on how to crochet turning chains for half double crochet. I have 4 alternatives for you and you can try all of them and see which ones you like the best. The common turning chain for half double crochet is to chain 2. However, after chaining 2 you have 2 options, either to crochet into the first stitch or the second stitch. And this depends on if the turning chains counts as a stitch. If you start into the first stitch, your turning chains are not going to count as I'm showing you now, and you are not going to get as even edges as if you do it into the second one. However, you have less gaps. So for this one, I did 2 chains, then worked the half double crochet into the first stitch or the last stitch of this row, and then I did 2 more half double crochets. And when you come back, you're only going to work into the half double crochets and not the turning chains to keep the stitch count the same. However, if you do chain 2 and not work into the first stitch but the second stitch, this is also common. However, you are going to end up with more of a gap when you come back and you work into the second chain as the last stitch of the row. But this is how it looks if you do chain 2, then work into the second stitch, and the edges are more straight. However, you may find that you get more gaps. Then you have a third alternative, which is a bit different, and this is to turn and then yarn over and work a half double crochet directly into the first stitch. And in that way you're not doing any turning chains, but you're doing a turning stitch as a half double crochet. And with this method you get no gaps and the result is pretty beautiful. And when you come back you have to work into that half double crochet and the edges turn out pretty straight. So this is the third option, and let me just rip out and we can do the fourth option. And this is to chain 2, then do a twist and go back to pick up the yarn. So you have the yarn over, insert a crochet hook into the first stitch, pull up a loop, and then finish the half double crochet. And what you end up with here is a wide half double crochet which fills in the gaps completely. And this is another option, and you can also do that when you start a row with half double crochet. So all 4 options completely possible. Just keep it consistent and try which one you like the best. And for this one you also have a pretty straight edge. So try what you like and do that. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on how to do turning chains for half double crochet, and have a nice day.